Subclavian artery continues as dash artery. Now here you are seeing is that subclavian artery emerges out of the thoracic inlet and that crosses the first rib and then reaches into the axilla, passing behind this pectoralis minor, reaching down to the lower border of teres major and continuing as brachial artery. So there you are seeing that it's a single artery with three different names according to the different destinations. So in case you want to revise it, remember that on this inner border of the first rib, there is a tubercle called scalenite tubercle. Onto this tubercle, there is a muscle attached, and this muscle here is called cutaneous anterior. This muscle actually divides the subclavian artery into three parts. Then reaching to the outer border of the first rib, the name gets changed and now it will be called as axillary artery. So this was subclavian artery and now it's continuing as axillary artery. This axillary artery from the little border of the first rib passing behind to this pectoralis minor muscle and reaching down to the lower border of this muscle teres major. So that's the course of this artery, and this artery is also divided into three parts by this muscle pectoralis minor. Later on, below to this lower border of the teres major, this gets a new name and it's now called brachial artery, which reaches into this anterior surface of the elbow at the level of the neck of the radius or just above to the radial tuberosity. This brachial artery divides into two terminal branches, radial artery and ulnar artery. Ulnar is of a wider caliber, deeper branch, giving nutritional branches to radius and ulna. So ulnar artery is a continuation of brachial artery and ulnar artery continues as superficial palmar arch. The main arterial course of upper limb is subclavian artery continues as axillary artery, which continues as brachial artery. Now brachial artery continues as ulnar artery continues as superficial palmar arch. The rest of the arteries of the upper limb, they are all minor branches from this main arterial course. Subclavian artery continues as axillary artery.